I'm Uletha Oglesby, school teacher and flower farmer, owner of Florals at Jackson. I got my love of flowers and gardening and farming from my family in Southwest Georgia. My aunt planted a seed to grow flowers, and my husband and I purchased property a few years ago with a lot next to it, and this is where Florals in Jackson began. I grow and harvest spring, summer, and early fall flowers, and I sell in a variety of ways. I sell hand-tied arrangements and bouquets at farmers markets. I do special event work such as bridal showers, weddings, birthdays. I have a subscription service where my customers receive flowers bi-weekly, and I also sell to wholesalers. And I love and enjoy surprising and delighting family and friends with flowers. I became interested in Soil³ because it's organic and I do not use any pesticides or fertilizers in my raised garden beds. What I love about Soil³ is the nutrients that it provides, the drainage that it provides for my raised garden beds, and the moisture retention that my flowers need. I also do succession planting, where I start my flowers from seeds, and I can consistently rely on Soil³ to provide the best flowers for my customers in my garden. I wouldn't use anything else.